I'm Judy from J Shaw Fitness, and I'm here with my very good friend and client, Judy. Today, Judy's going to show us how to correctly and effectively perform a squat. Now, a squat is one of your body's foundational movement patterns. Very basic movement pattern, but has significant benefits. So the squat is going to strengthen your entire lower body, but not just that, even your core and your back. So I'm going to have Judy get started here by placing her feet about shoulder width apart and her toes pointed slightly outwards. Good. Now, as Judy goes down into the squat, she's going to begin the movement by pushing her hips down and back as if she's trying to sit onto a bench. Go ahead. Good. Once she reaches the bottom, she'll drive through her feet, stand up, and fully extend at her knees and her hips. Okay, so let's take a couple of more here. Perfect. One more here. Very good. So as you notice, when we look at Judy's feet here, they're staying fully planted on the ground the entire time. Okay, so go ahead. Her heels aren't lifting up at all. Her whole foot is staying planted. And come on up. Perfect. Now, if we take a look at her knees are pressing outward slightly and tracking forward over her feet. Go ahead. Good. Perfect. And come on up. Good. So at the bottom of her squat, Judy's thighs come parallel to the ground and her knees don't go any further forward than her toes. So come to the side for me, Judy. Good. Go ahead and squat down. Her shins and knees will travel forward slightly, but they never pass her toes. Perfect. Good. Now we're going to take a look at her lower back. So go ahead and squat down, Judy. You see she's staying in a nice neutral spine. There's not excessive arching or rounding through her lower back. So you have this nice natural curve through your lower back, and you're going to maintain that throughout the squat. Now we'll take a look at her shoulders and torso and chest. Go ahead. So her chest is staying tall and her shoulders are staying rolled down and back here, right? So you want to keep good posture throughout the entire squat. And the last thing we'll look at here is Judy's neck. So as she squats down, you'll notice that her neck stays nice and neutral. She's not crunching in the back of her neck, and she's not letting her head round forward. So her chin is staying tucked, and throughout the entire squat motion, go ahead and give me 3 good squats here, Judy. You can see everything is staying nice and neutral. She's driving through her heels. Good. Perfect. And last one here. Awesome, Judy. Thank you so much. So there it is. That's the squat. Judy and I thank you for watching. So get out there, get squatting.